get away, I wanna get away. Hey, I wanna get away, I wanna get away. Hey, come let me get away.
Hello and welcome back to another unboxing, but this time is very special for me because it's representing my channel. First of all, I want to say this video is not sponsored by anyone. I have an idea and I put it in practice. This is about a custom t-shirt with the design created by me, something to represent my channel. Maybe in the future I'm going to do something with this t-shirt, but for now I'm just going to present it to you. And I want to thank them because they are very professional. I was having some issue with the design, with the colors, and they helped me to create this. If you want to have a peek on their website, the link is in the description of the video. They have a ton of models from video games, from movies. I'm very happy at this moment, but at the same time I'm scared because this is the third attempt to create this video. There was some technical issues. I'm so hyped, I'm so nervous, my hand is literally shaking. Let's do this, let's open it. Ladies and gentlemen, my custom t-shirt. Easy boy, easy, don't destroy it. Easy, do not cut the t-shirt, if I do that I'm going to beat myself. Wait a second, I see something. Easy, let's continue. Slow. Look, I see something. Oh, can't wait. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. You can do this easy. Yes. Come on, come on, come on. Man, I'm so happy. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Please be good. Please be good. Please be good. Not like the last time. Come on, come on. Almost got it. Yes. And now, ladies and gentlemen, my custom t-shirt for Danuzzy Gaming. Man, it looks so amazing and the color is very bright. I like it. Yes, what we have in the package. This paper I think is a document. If you have some problem you can send it back. No, I don't need it. Get away. And now let me show you a full display on the t-shirt. I like it, the colors is very good. I don't know about you, but I like what I'm seeing. I'm curious about your opinion. Please tell me what you think about this t-shirt in the comment down below. Because my channel is a gaming channel, I choose different characters from different games. For the example, I choose Jinx from League of Legends, I choose Arthas, the Lich King from World of Warcraft, and something from Fortnite. I want to thank you from my heart to anyone who are participating in this project and this crazy idea of mine, but especially thank to those beautiful girls who are accepted to be part of this project. Don't forget, if you like what I'm doing, please leave a like and share this video with your friends or on social media. And now I'm going to leave you with those beautiful girls and some cool images from my city. Have a nice day and see you next time. See ya!
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Turn it up, turn it something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy